Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, I am happy to welcome you all for our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. For the class 10, subject biology, unit 17, reproduction in plants and animals. Today, we are going to discuss about population explosion and family planning. See, population explosion is defined as the sudden and rapid rise in the size of population, especially human population. Realizing the dangers of population growth, the government of India has taken several steps, many steps to check population growth and introduce family planning. So, India has been one of the first country in the world to launch the nationwide family planning program in the year 1952. Okay. So, family planning is a way of living that is adapted voluntarily by couples to promote the health and welfare of family groups and society. The World Health Organization (WHO) has also stressed the importance of family planning as global strategy health for all. The next one is contraception. Contraception is nothing but the word, it means birth control. So, contraception is nothing but birth control. So, it is one of the best birth control measures. A number of methods have been developed to prevent the pregnancy in women. The device used for contraception are called contraceptive devices. Some of the common contraceptive methods used to prevent pregnancy are, the first one is barrier methods. Second one is hormonal methods. Third one is intrauterine devices. That is, in short, it is called as IUDs. And fourth one is surgical methods. Once again, I am repeating the same. So, common contraceptive methods used to prevent pregnancy are, the first one is barrier method. Second one is hormonal method. Third one is intrauterine devices. And fourth one is surgical methods. First, we will see the barrier method. This method prevents the fusion of sperm and the ovum. It prevents the sperm from ovum meeting. In short, it is called as, it controls the fusion. Okay, the barrier controls the fusion. See here, this method prevents sperm from meeting the ovum. Its entry into the female, that is, sperm entry into the female reproductive tract is prevented by this barrier method. In that barrier method, the first one is condom. Condom prevents a deposition of sperm in the female tract, that is in vagina. Condoms are made of thin rubber and latex sheath. Condoms also protect or prevent against sexually transmitted diseases like syphilis and AIDS. Second barrier method, that is diaphragm. It is also called as cervical cap. Okay. So, vaginal diaphragm fitting into the vagina or cervical cap fitting over the cervix. It prevents the meeting of sperm and the ovum. Okay. So, it prevents the entry of sperm into the uterus. The next method is hormonal methods. Hormonal preparations are in the form of pills or tablets. These hormones stop the release of egg from the ovary. You know very well, ovary, from the ovary only the mature egg is released. Once we are taking any tablet or pills, it arrests the release of egg from the ovary. Okay? If you are taking some tablets, means there is no ovulation process takes place. Ovulation is nothing but rupturing of Graafian follicles to release egg. That particular process, ovulation process, takes place in the ovary. If you are taking some tablets or any pills, it arrests, it stops the release of egg from the ovary. So, that is a second method, that is hormonal method. Changes of hormones takes place, hormonal imbalance takes place. Third one is intrauterine devices, IUDs. The name itself you can easily understand, children. Intrauterine, that is inside the uterus. We have to keep any object, plastic or any metal object inside the uterus or inside the cervix. That is called intrauterine devices. The intrauterine device, IUD, or contraceptive devices inserted into the uterus. Inserted means placed, P-L-A-C-E-D, placed into the uterus. There are two synthetic devices commonly used in India are Lipi loop and copper T, made of copper and plastic. This can remain for a period of 3 years. So, the intrauterine devices are just for time being only. It is remain for about only 3 years. It is not a permanent. Okay. This reduces this means intra-IUD reduce the sperm fertilizing capacity and prevents implantation. This also helps to give adequate time interval between the pregnancy. See the picture of copper T. This is the intrauterine device. It is inserted inside the uterus and it prevents pregnancy. Clear, children? Next, fourth method, surgical method. It is a permanent birth control method. It is very important one. Permanent birth control method. Surgical contraception or sterilization technique or terminal methods, that is the end one, to prevent pregnancy. This procedure takes place in both men and female. Okay. So, this procedure in males, it is called as vasectomy. Vasectomy is nothing but ligation of vas deferens. You know very well, vas deferens is a site of sperm production. The sperm is synthesized or produced in the vas deferens. Okay. If the tube is cut off, ligation means cut off, there is no process of sperm production, it is not goes to the epididymis and it will not comes out. Okay. In females, it is tuberectomy, that ligation of fallopian tube. You know very well, fallopian tube is a site of fertilization. The fusion of gametes, the fusion of sperm and ovum, that is egg, takes place inside the fallopian tube. If the tube is cut off, means there is no process of cleavage, there is no formation of blastocyst, there is no formation of morula. So, the tubes are cut off, ligation means cut off. That name is said to be tuberectomy. In females, it is tuberectomy, that is ligation of fallopian tube. These methods of these are the important methods. These are the methods of permanent birth control. Okay. Thank you, children. We will see in the next class.